What is going on, YouTube? I am Germ here, and today we have to talk about the biggest story in the CS investing world, and that is Paris. This is the Paris capsules, this is Paris stickers, this is everything to do with Paris because, as I'm sure you know, the Paris sale has now been removed for a couple of days, and so far, Paris has been going absolutely insane. Probably it's even doing better and crazier faster than anyone even expected. Obviously, I've been a big supporter and proponent of Paris, and I've very actively spoke out against a lot of the haters and a lot of the people just spreading random hate about Paris. But then even some of the people who have maybe even some more points and some more legitimate arguments and stuff, I've been speaking out against them. But still, with everything that's happening with Paris right now, I'm very happy, very excited, but also it's making me a lot more confident about so much of this stuff going forward. So this video today, I want to take a look at what Paris has been doing, what the different prices are for capsules and hollows, what some different strategies are, and what we can maybe think about going forward. Of course, on the screen, I have to poke fun at the trolls and stuff a little bit, and all the Paris haters. I had to make fun of them, post some stupid tweets. That's what I do over my Twitter account, but we're going to get into all that and more in a little bit. Now, real quick, usually this is where I would plug my cash trading business, and if you guys are interested in selling any of your CS items, you can definitely hit me up over on Twitter. It's going to be linked in the description below, but I also want to plug in this video the fact that I am selling a lot of items as well. Obviously, over the past couple months, I've been cash trading a lot. I've been buying up a lot of stuff, and I want to sell that stuff off. I actually bought recently 1,000 Stockholm capsules. I have each of the different 3 Stockholm capsules. I have hundreds of them, and I have around 100 Fnatic Paris hollows as well. So if you guys are looking to buy any of those items or maybe some other items as well in bulk, and probably even get a discount, if you guys want to buy some in bulk, I can probably give you them below market prices. Definitely hit me up over on Twitter as well. Maybe we can get a deal. And if you guys are looking to buy some of these items and a ton of them, a decent amount of them, coming to me might be your best possible deal. So who knows? If you're interested in that, hit me up. With that being said, let's get right into this. We're looking at the Paris hollow prices today. Obviously, I've heard that the prices have been going crazy, and I know that the prices have been going crazy because, again, I have a ton of items listed all over the internet on stuff like Buff Market and CS Float and all these places, and a ton of my orders have been getting filled. I've been, my stuff has been flying off the shelves. The price has been going up so fast that even things that I had previously listed for above market prices, those things are getting sold below market prices right now because the market prices are going up so fast I can't really keep up. So I honestly, up until this point of recording this video right now, I have not looked at exactly what a bunch of Paris hollow prices are, but I know they've been going crazy. I've been looking at capsules mostly because I own a ton of capsules as well, but we can take a look at sticker price and we can take a look at capsules and try and make sense of what's going on in the market right now. So my first glance at this is that a lot of stuff towards the lower end of the market hasn't started going that crazy yet. There's still 3 Paris stickers under $1. That being Ents, Bad News Eagles, and Mongols. And throughout a lot of the sale, Mongols was above $1. So Mongols being at 97 cents really isn't Mongols going crazy just yet, and isn't Mongols at super inflated prices. I know there's a lot of people that see the craziness with Paris right now, and they're like, oh, damn, did I miss the boat for Paris? Is there nothing worth buying? Is there no good deals anymore? Some people think that the capsules are already like overpriced or not worth getting into, and people are kind of worried about missing the boat. And yeah, obviously, you would have loved to buy Paris stuff a week ago, but you don't have a time machine. You can't go back in time. All you can do at any point in time is to make the best decision for that time right now. And I just want to tell people that truly, I really mean this, I don't think it's too late to get involved or get invested with Paris still, because again, a lot of the prices I'm seeing right now are similar, maybe a little bit higher, and in some cases even lower than prices that I have already personally bought stickers at over the past couple months. There is some stickers that are at all-time highs right now, but there are some stickers that are below their all-time highs, some of them significantly below their all-time highs. And when I look at this page right now, some of the stickers that stand out to me, I think Mongols is at a very fine and fair price right now where you could still get a ton of potential returns on it. I think Into the Breach at $247 is not a bad deal at all. I think Heroic at $287. Heroic was above $3 for a lot of the sale. Heroic at $287, even though it's, it was like $250 a couple days ago, I think it's definitely had some nice gains. Heroic still has so much room to run. It is not too late to buy some of these stickers. I think people need to relax a little bit and be rest assured. Yes, there is a lot of FOMO and panic buying and stuff going on in the markets, but that does not mean everything is already overpriced 2 days after the sale has ended. The gains from Paris are going to be seen 6 months, 12 months, 18 months, 24 months, 5 years from now. So we're going to see the true like crazy gains from Paris, hopefully, if all goes well. It's not going to be in 2 days just because prices are up like 10% or 20% or whatever they're up. It's not too late to buy. Like I said, obviously you would have rather bought sooner, but that doesn't mean it's too late. It's just not what that means. On this page, we can see some things that have been doing okay. I see Fluxo here at $5.20. I want to say that that's up a little bit. Some of these, I don't remember all the price and stuff. Yeah, Fluxo was $3.70 2 days ago, and now it's up to $5.20. So that's a nice little run for Fluxo there. That's definitely a big point. But again, Fluxo at $5.20, I don't think is a bad purchase. I'm pretty sure Fluxo has been around $6 before previously. And at $6, I thought it was a fine purchase. So now that it's at $5.20, it's not like it's a bad time to buy. I think 9 at $5.77 is okay. I think Fanatic at $5.81 is okay. Once you start getting to $5 and above, I think the stickers start to get a little expensive. So, I'd be a little bit wary of Fluxo at $5 and 9 at $5 and Fanatic at $5. I'm not loving paying $5 for a sticker, but I do think Fluxo, 9, and Fanatic are some of the better stickers in this mid tier. So if I was going to buy some of these mid tier stickers, which I absolutely have, and I own, tons of Fanatic and tons of Fluxo, I don't think that it's the worst purchase in the world. But then we get to the third page where the pair of stickers in the high end, these are where the stickers have been going absolutely crazy and absolutely insane. And now that I'm seeing this as well, I didn't know this, that the Furia sticker has actually passed up the Mouse. That's crazy. When you know the history of the Mouse borderless stickers and how much money and investment and fan base and everything is going on with Mouse, the fact that Furia has passed it up, that is crazy. That is insane. But all of these stickers being over $10 and how crazy they're all going is quite wild. Yes, Apex is kind of lagging behind the top 3 at this point, but still, if you look at what's been going on, Gamer Legion was $8 2 days ago. Now it is up to $12. But again, if you look at the lifetime, Gamer Legion was $14 not too long ago, getting it at $12. I don't think it's a good deal, but it's not the worst deal in the world. It's not totally terrible. Again, I'm not looking to pay over $10 for any pair sticker. I'm not going to be buying any in the top 4, but there's an argument to be made for it at least. We have Mouse that, again, 2 days ago, Mouse was $11. Now it's up to $15, which is just absurd. And Furia, I believe, is at all-time highs. It definitely seems like all-time highs. Furia a couple days ago was $13, $13.50. Now it's up to $15.50. So this is quite crazy that Furia has actually passed up Mouse. But yeah, these top 4 stickers, they are going really crazy. The ones in the mid-tier are going up a little bit. And the ones at the bottom tier are kind of lagging the market so far. And I think this first page of stickers in the cheapest tier, they might be the underrated. And they might be the best value for Paris right now. If we go on to look at Paris capsules, this is the crazy part. Paris capsules have been putting up numbers, and this is exactly what I predicted because where the hollow prices were, it didn't make sense for Paris capsules to be at 25 cents. I think I actually predicted that they would shoot up to 35 cents almost right away. We're at 34 cents right now, so we're getting close, but I just did some napkin math of where sticker prices were and how much Paris capsules should be worth, and my estimation was around 35 cents was fair value for Paris capsules with the current hollow prices and stuff. So this is cool to see. And what's actually interesting right now is Paris capsules at 34 cents. If you saw them for 34 cents on Steam, you get 30 cents back. And that means that on a 25-cent capsule that you bought, you could sell it and get 30 cents, which is a 20% increase. So I know there's some people asking out there oh, should I sell this uptick? And some people are saying, no, you're an idiot. You shouldn't sell. You bought these things for the long term. You should hold, blah, blah, blah. And I think it's a fair question to ask if you should sell because, again, locking in a 20% gain in a couple of months or a couple of days or a couple of weeks, depending on when you bought these capsules, a 20% gain is nothing to scoff at. A 20% gain in the real world is absolutely insane. The fact that you can be getting a 20% gain on some freaking Paris capsules, that is crazy. Now, obviously, people who invested in Paris and took on the risk in Paris and put in all this time, effort, and work, we did it to make more than 20% gains, but locking in some amount of profit and starting to make some sales, especially for people that have tens of thousands of capsules or whatever, I don't think is terrible, and I don't think you're an idiot. I think we get in this mindset of, always wanting to follow the market. A week ago when Paris was crashing, everyone was saying to sell. Now that it's going up, everyone's saying you're an idiot if you sell, when that's really backwards. When it was crashing, we should have been buying. And now that it's going up a little bit, it's probably not the worst idea in the world to at least think about selling some, or at least having some kind of exit plan and strategy. Now, obviously, I think you should shoot a little bit higher, maybe 40 cents, maybe 50 cents, 60, 70, 80, 90, $1, whatever. I don't think 34 cents is, the end all be all, but if you bought some for 25 cents and you're selling them for 34 cents and getting 30 cents back, that is a nice little gain. I think that is totally fine. But yes, right now we have the challengers, contenders, and legends all at 34 cents, which again is a 20% increase after taxes and fees so far, which is very, very nice. That is a very great sign to see that prices are already shooting up there so fast. Now, another interesting thing I did want to note is, people saying, hey, this short-term spike up for the Paris capsules, what's going to happen? Are they going to crash back down? And interestingly enough, obviously Paris gets compared to RMR a lot. If you look back to the RMR sale, when it ended around May 21st, it actually saw a pretty similar shoot up. You know, it shot up to 37 cents in a couple days. Then it ended up shooting up to 50 cents. And then it did kind of crash back down and actually end up going all the way back down to like 17 cents and never really recovered until very, very, very recently. So there is some historical precedence that says things could shoot up and crash back down. Now, again, I'm hesitant to compare Paris to RMR because I think they're nothing alike. I think RMR was ugly stickers that were, overinvested for the time. Again, you have to think we have way more players now, and the Paris stickers actually look good. So I don't really want to compare the two all that much, but there has been at least one instance in the past where capsules have shot up post sale and then crashed back down. But if you take a look at Stockholm, or this is Antwerp right here, you can see that once the sale ended, things never even shot up. So it didn't even have the chance to shoot up and come back down. Antwerp, the sale ended and prices just kind of went down or stayed flat, then eventually shot up. And then with Stockholm, after the sale ended, prices kind of went up, and then they just kind of kept going up and up and up. Stockholm had a little bit of a retracement, but its retracement was only down to like 35 cents, which still, again, would be very, very good. So there's no real historical precedent for exactly what's going to happen in the coming weeks. Paris could crash back down. It could continue to rise. It could stay flat. We have no idea. Like I said, if you wanted to sell, I don't think it's that terrible of an idea. But if you wanted to hold, I don't think it's that terrible of an idea. And it just kind of depends what your goals are, how much money you want to make or would be happy with, and how much risk you're willing to take, and how many capsules you have too at the end of the day. Because again, selling a ton is going to take time, where selling a few is going to be relatively easy. But I don't know. So far, Paris is going quite crazy. I don't know what's going to happen next, but capsules and hollows are both looking very good. But again, it's not too late to buy. And if we see any more dips, you could definitely buy those up too. But we're not even guaranteed to see any more dips. Who knows? But so far, so good. Paris is going ballistic. I'm happy. I'm excited. If you own Paris, congratulations. So far, things are going well. It's not time to celebrate yet because, again, anything could happen going forward. But so far, so good. And I hope things continue to go well. But that's pretty much it for this video today, guys. Hopefully catch you in the next one. But until then, peace.